we keep sending out this peace and we kept sending out this love across the world. And I just want you to imagine this thought where we've got thousands and thousands and thousands of other people across the world that are holding this light. And I just want you to imagine that they're all being connected, that we are all being connected. That this love of God needs a place to go, needs a place to flow through. And that for a little bit, we held that space. And for a little bit, we'll continue to hold this place of peace. So this world can be reborn. So that we can have peace. So that we all can have peace within our minds, within our hearts, within our souls. So we truly can understand that when we look into each other's eyes, that we really are one. And love is the thing that's going to bring us home. And so for the rest of this day, and hopefully for the rest of the year, and the rest of the time that we're here, may this just be a little reminder. And maybe we ask God to keep this light in our hearts and our soul so that we can be the warriors. We can be the ones that bring peace. And when we see sorrow or we see pain or we see anger or we see hate or we see war, can we remember that we can bring this light into that we can make a difference individually and collectively. May we remember that we have the power to do that. And that this is real, that love is real. And that when we come together, we can affect change. And so we welcome in peace. We welcome in this new age. We welcome in this new way of being. And we let this become a part of our lives. So in each and every moment, we get to remember who we are. And then we can become a beautiful reminder to those of us in our lives, to our friends, to our families, and to those around us. And we do this humbly. And we are honored to carry this light, to carry this love. And so we just want to really say thank you, God. We also want to thank the angels and all the helpers that came here this morning. Not only the angels and the higher dimensional helpers, but also the helpers in the room that made this happen this morning. And so to all of those who joined this morning, I hope your heart is filled with peace and love. And I hope you know that you've made a difference and that we're forever grateful for you and hope you have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful New Year and hope to see you soon.